How to find deleted applications on your iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can find deleted applications on your iPhone. Our phones serve us for almost everything we can think of, from reading news, watching movies, and much more. For each of these functions, there is an application that allows us to perform it. However, you are wondering how you can find all the deleted applications on your phone. If so, stay till the end to find out how. First of all, we can see that when we hold down one of the applications and go to the Remove button from the home screen. We must know that it is not a deleted application and we can find it in the App Library section. However, if we tap on the Remove App button, this application will be completely deleted from our phone. How can we find her? Open the App Store on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner. When the menu opens, we need to find the Purchased option in it and tap on it. A list will open with the applications that are on our phone or were at some point. However, if we want to see only those that have been deleted, we will tap on the option Not on this iPhone, which is located at the top of the screen. After that, a list will open where we can see all the applications that have been deleted from our phone. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.